Hello friends and happy Friday. Today is part 2 of styling my bookcases. So now we're going to get started on these two bookcases here. As you can see, this is what was on my previous video that I did, and I do have the upper already done too. But we are going to go ahead and get started on this bookcase to the right here. All right. So let's go ahead and get started on the upper shelf. Now I've put this urn on here, and then I'm going to add this little fleur-de-lis that I have. And then I'm going to add a little bunch of greenery. And again, I'm going to put my hydrangea flower in here. Okay, so now we're going to move down to the middle shelf, and I have this cute little container here. And then again, I'm going to put some glass. This is another piece that was my mother's. And then I want to put a touch of greenery. And now we're going to move down to the bottom shelf. Then I have this little cement garden ball. And then I want to put this candle holder here. Of course, I'm not going to put a candle on it, but I thought I would put my little Our Home sign, just set it on top. And then I'm going to be adding more greenery. And of course, I got to add that hydrangea in there. Okay, so that is going to do it for this bookcase. Now let's move over to the far right one. Move the camera over here a little bit, and we're going to start with the big upper section. And this is a piece that I showed where I did a little DIY on it. And again, I'm going to do an apothecary jar here with the battery operated candle in it, and another one where I put some green grapes inside of it. Now let's move down to the last shelf. And I have another urn here, like I did on the other bookcases on the other video. Then I have this little finial that I painted. And again, another apothecary jar with some artichokes in there. And a little touch of greenery. All right, that is all that I'm doing here. So let's take a look. I'm going to start over here. Just take a quick look at everything. Let's see the little covers that I did for my books on this side. You know, and like I said before, you know, if you don't like all the different colors of your books, just cover them with some paper. That's all you got to do. I've even seen where people just do all white. So. And let's finish off with the top shelf here. I'm going to back up here a little bit. And we're going to see how it all looks together. And I did put a few pieces up here on top. And I have my big medallion hanging up there. So kind of helps fill in the wall space over here. So let's see how the whole room looks. So I'm going to back up here. I know it's a little crowded in here. So here's my entry hallway. To the left is actually a little area where the door is, and then this is the hallway that goes through the living room, dining room, and back into the family room and the kitchen. And I just threw these pillows on here for now. I don't think I'm going to keep them there. I don't know. Wait and see. Now, this love seat is supposed to be gone. I'm still trying to sell it. This is the one that was in my other formal living room. As you can see, it is my brown and goldish colored one. But I have it covered now, so it'll kind of blend. But I would like to have it sold because all I want is the chairs in here and the coffee table. And I'm not sure if I want to keep this piece here. I might move it over where the lamp is. I don't know. And my little black console table is all I wanted in here. So hopefully eventually this will all be rearranged differently, because I'm still trying to sell my love seat here. All right, so my next area that I'm going to be doing, as you can see, is over here in my dining room. It's a little bit of a mess. I got rid of all the lemons and the bee theme, and we're just going to go to my everyday French country decor. So I have a few pieces sitting here. Not sure if I'm going to use a lot of this or not. And got to redo my hutch. I said a few more things here. And I'm not sure. These are some of my old plates that I kept, and I don't know. This is probably going to be more my late summer theme to kind of do that in here. All right, so let's take one more look over here at my formal living room. All right, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope that you enjoyed it and I could give you some ideas on styling your bookcases. I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.